Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got something amazing for you guys to excel. If you are a freelancer, if you are a writer, then you can come to this website. It is so helpful for you. Let's go for this. Welcome to Absolute Write Water Cooler. Welcome writers. Absolute Writer is a moderated free online community of writers, agents, editors and publishers. Absolute Write provides information about writing as well as editing, publishing, and agents. We welcome writers of all levels of experience and ambitions. If you are interested in freelance writing, screen writing, playwriting, writing novels, writing non-fiction writing, comic book writing, or writing poetry and lyrics, you are in the right place. Please read the newbie guide to absolute write. Okay, new members. Okay, let's go for this. Hi, new members. I am where it goes. I am Meg. I own absolutewriters.com. The software licenses, archived articles, and the server we run on. But no one owns a company. No one owns a community, and that's what this message pro board is really about. Community. We have a whole passel of moderators. These people selflessly volunteer their time and energy. They know the community, and I trust them. Be nice to them. Uh, they work hard. You will notice they are designated by the user's title under their name, and if you have a question, click on the name. It will take you to the moderator's profile where you will find a link to contact that person either by leaving a visitor message or sending them a private message. And the absolute writer forum are pretty big, and there are a lot of people posting here about pretty much every writing related subject under the sun. That can be overwhelmed, so here are some guidelines to just get you on your way. So basically this is the website to get guidance on how you should like. We actually like you to link your blogs, books, writings, sites and interests and so on. We firmly believe that it helps building community, creates stable information environments, improves education and strengthens relationships. Just don't join up solely to flog your own site and services. That's spamming and it's exploitative and it's not cool. Don't jump in because, right? Again, don't join up just because you think it's good way to market yourself, your books, your blogs. Again, it's spamming, it's boring, and you won't be met with a lot of enthusiasm, right? So this website is basically for a newbie guide, right? So if you want to take guidance for what you are writing and how you are writing it, you can come to this website. Let's go for more if they have something for us, right? Okay. This isn't the forum you're trying to log into the website. The forums are here. Click this. Okay, so I want to go for the website about Absolute Right. Okay, let's go. Welcome writers. If you're interested in freelance writing, screenwriting, playwriting, writing novels, nonfiction, comic book writing, greeting writing, cards, poetry, songwriting, or well, you get the idea. You are in the right place. Thanks for visiting the non-stop web home for professional and beginning writers. Absolute Write is a comprehensive informational website and community for writers of all levels. Absolute Writers offers articles and information about fiction, non-fiction, screenwriting, freelancing, and copywriting. In addition, we provide information about editing, publishing agents, and market research. You will find links to resources and a large number of active online community of writers and publishing professionals. Our privacy policies. Here you can read that. Okay. So this one is the website, and they provide you help if you're, if you are a writer and if you want to, write on freelance basis. These are websites and blogs that Absolute Writes think every writer ought to know about. Literacy agents, agent query. Agent Query offers a free searchable database of literacy agents. ET in Aasia ago, Jennifer Jackson has been an agent to the Donald Mass Literacy Agency since 1993. She discusses publishing news, good and bad queries, and offers practical advice about writing and publishing. Jennifer Jackson on Twitter. Jennifer represents Jennifer Lawfran is an agent at Nordia Andrea Brown Literary Agency, specializing in children's and YA fiction. Jennifer Lawfran is on Twitter too. Janet Reid, literary agent. Janet Reid is one of the best known, most respected agents out there. In addition to interesting discussion about what she and other agents are looking for, she has provided a lot of information about how to write a query, how to look an agent, and what not to do. Okay. Market resources. Rallen. Rallen is also a fellow writer who categorizes lists and describes market, including submission criteria, payment, and response time. It is an amazing resource. Freelance writing jobs. The freelance writing jobs began in May 2005. The brainchild of a freelance writer who wanted to help other writers find decent paying jobs. Now it's much more than it's frequently updated. It's lists of writing gigs. It's a vibrant community of freelance workers or writers. Media Bistro. Media Bistro is intended for anyone who creates or works with content or working in a content creative industry that includes editors, writers, and product producers, graphic designers, and book publishers and others. Media Bistro is a creative community providing opportunities to meet, share resources, find job opportunities and interesting projects and news, improve career skills, and showcase your work. Writing resources. Forward motion. Forward Motion is the one that was started by SF and fantasy author Holly Liesel in 1998 and has been owned and managed by Lizette Gifford since 2003. You will find all range of writers from the very new to those who are much published in pretty much every genre, including poetry. Scribophile, we are a respectful online writing group made up of writers who improve each others' work with thoughtful critiques or by sharing up their writing experiences. Writing beware. You need to know about this site. It includes warning about literacy fraud or other schemes, scams, and pitfalls that target writers. Writer Beware is the public face of the Science Fiction Fantasy Writers of America's Committee on Writing Scams. They are also sponsored by the Mystery Writers of America. Also see the Writers Beware blog. So guys, this is today's website and it helps you if you are a writer, it helps you to write your blog properly and not to do any mistake. Thank you guys for listening to this video and watching to me. Till the next time, bye bye, take care, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates.